Up next, you have exercise 1, temperature checkup. Out of all theoretical knowledge in Process Studio and Object Studio, here come with the first exercise where you have to launch Internet Explorer and go to the Google page to check the temperature of particular location. Then you have to read the temperature and store it in Process Studio by passing the parameter. So it is going to cover maximum of all the higher level conditions or higher level logics which we have discussed till now in Object Studio and Process Studio. I'm going to give you a quick recap what all going to get covered with this first exercise. You will be able to create an object with proper naming convention, able to create an application modeler with proper naming convention in the elements, and use of attach. You can able to launch any applications. In this case, you are going to launch Internet Explorer, and you can able to write the value, which means like you are going to write the location in Google search page, and then you are going to read the temperature. So both a read and write action is going to get covered. Then publishing the object page, which is going to get called or referred in the process, and it's going to take the result from object, the temperature result from object page to process stage, which means it's going to cover input and output parameters passing. And at the last, you have to save the both process and object with proper edit summary so that you can be able to track in the version history of both process and object. Up next, we have the solutioning part, but it's better to try out by yourself. If you have any doubt, you can follow the solutioning part.